Model, 65-plate Mercedes Citan 109CDI long excellent runner needs gearbox. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 105,633. MOT, the 25th of March 2025. Engine, 1461 cc 607 DE15 LA90 HP. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox will need repairing or replacing as it is locking up, the engine still starts and runs perfectly, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,175 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp